your design team member with Stamp Anything. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have our May preview day 2, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you Atina What the Shell? So if you didn't realize it, which I'm sure you did, May's release is mermaid themed, and it's so much fun. So if you missed yesterday's video, I shared with you our stencil, our word die, our builder die, and our first chibi character. Today I'm going to share with you the new chibi character along with the design team projects, and of course tomorrow will be the final day. So don't forget to sign up for Stamp Club if you're interested in getting all or part of this month's release. All of that information is listed down below along with the Facebook group and a direct link to this month's release. So without any more jibber jabber, let's head over to the craft table and I will introduce you to today. All right, friends, for day 2 we have Atina What the Shell. So she's really cute in her little oyster shell. Again, I love whoever digitally colored this, did such a really amazing job. And I forgot to mention in yesterday's video, this is the new packaging. So the acetate isn't colored, but you can store all of this together. So your die off of the paper and your stamp will fit in one little envelope. And I've mentioned before that I store mine in CD holders, DVD holders, CVD pockets, and they fit perfectly. So again, we have Atina What the Shell. So flipping cute. And then of course we have her outline die. So I hope you are enjoying this amazing release. I love mermaids. I think this is going to be so much fun. So yeah, be sure to check this out. Everything is linked in the description box down below, along with Stamp Club, our Facebook group, yada yada yada. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Which one has been your favorite so far? I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye for now.